Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Samsung Galaxy A25. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on device care and in device care scroll down and click on storage. Now here in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of device care. And after that, go back to settings and here click on battery and device care. Now here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. After that, go back to settings again and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here, scroll down and click on reset all settings. And then again click on reset settings to confirm. And after that, enter your lock screen password here.